Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Sleepy Bear Bath Bomb. It is rather small, it's only 3.3 ounces. And it cost $5.95. And as you can see, my little helper wanted to put it in the tub, but she can't quite reach the center of it. This is one of their Christmas bath bombs. So I did get some of the ones that are new this year, and I will be posting the demos of those on my channel in case you're interested. But this bath bomb did smell like lavender. It said it also had tonka and ylang. But overall, I kind of think it smells like lavender. And I like that when it started spinning underwater, the lavender buds kind of shot out from it. And you can see those floating on top of the water. There wasn't too many, so it wasn't very messy. I think maybe just a couple pieces were left in the tub after it drained. And they were very small, so it's nothing that was going to clog the tub or anything like that. But this bath bomb also has fine oatmeal and cocoa butter, so it was very, very soothing and softening for skin. There's the last little bit that was left, so I returned it to the tub. And here's the little buds in there, pretty small. And once everything dissolved, it just left the water a milky white color. So that's what I have for you today. If you'd like to see some more demos from Lush, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.